Hello and welcome to another MCO update on SUI. Yeah, the SUI chart has started to consolidate after pushing nearly to that $4.20, $4.30 area. Why is this one relevant? Well, this area is just the previous swing high from end of January. It's one of the next resistance levels I've highlighted here on the chart. It was just the next one after breaking out above these previous swing highs. Yeah, so this is the green line. It's also where the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the decline is located that unfolded between January and April. So measuring the Fibonacci retracements, this decline, and then obviously we get this Fibonacci resistance level. It's one of the most relevant ones. However, we do have a 5-wave move up. So let's say a bearish wave count is definitely not in control right now, especially not with that 5-wave move up that we've seen. Recently, the price reacted here to this Fibonacci support area for a potential wave 4. We are pushing higher now in what would be wave 5. So I can remove this lower support area now from the chart. We don't need that anymore. Price reacted well to it. And now if we then zoom into even more detail into smaller time frames, we can see that we have another wave 4, but now the smaller degree. So from that wave 5 that we were watching for in the yellow scenario, that's still unfolding, okay? And in this scenario now, we could be in an internal 4th wave. So basically the price has done what it needed to do. It provided us with a 5th wave to the upside. That 5th wave broke to new highs. That's fine. And I would prefer maybe one more high here on the nano level at least, yeah. There is a Fibonacci support area, just really micro support, yeah, which, we're heading into the weekend, so it might again be a quiet Saturday, unless I don't know. Sometimes when the market is bullish, then even the Saturdays could be interesting, but typically it's a quiet Saturday that's expected. But anyway, we have a support area between 365 and 388. And as long as this area is holding, I would at least expect or watch or prepare for, that one more high there that could take the price to that next resistance level around $4.30. So 420 to 430. Internally here within this structure, we might be dealing with an ABC pattern. So A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. Let me adjust the wave degree. And it's possible that even a triangle unfolds here. I mean, this is something that we can track in parallel. Can always be a triangle in a wave 4. Sometimes they are, especially because the wave 2 was a sharp correction. So in that case, it's often happening that the wave 4 will be a triangle. But there's no point even drawing trend lines here because we don't even have 2 touch points. Yeah, I mean, drawing a trend line here is random because we don't even have that as a swing low. So I'm going to delete them again. Just want to share with you. This could, especially as we're heading into the weekend, this could just turn into some kind of a sideways consolidation pattern in a wave 4. So tracking here a wave 4 pullback. A wave 4 pullback can unfold in different ways. I already mentioned the triangle. It could also be a standard ABC pattern, in which case the price could easily go down to $3.75. That very comfortable, in a wave 4. Could easily be reached because this is typically an ideal target. There's an ideal target for a 4th wave. When you take various wave 4s, have 100 charts, you would see that most of them finish their wave 4s somewhere around the 38.2 retracement, a very common level. And in addition to that, it might become more complex, like a WXY. So a wave 4 can be quite complex, but given that the wave 2 was sharp, based on the guideline of alternation, which is just one of the very common Elliott wave guidelines, we would expect the wave 4 to be more of a sideways thing. It's not a must; it's only a guideline. And to keep it very simple, let's see if the market can get a break above that last high at $4.07. That could send indeed the price higher in a 5th wave. So, and then even on the micro level, the wave count would be very full. It already has given us a 5-wave move, so I'm already watching for potential correction in this larger degree wave 2, which should happen once we have all 5 waves really completed. Yeah. So that's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.